Friends, welcome to our channel NG Lectures. In this video, we will solve all these equations in the scientific calculator. So first we will solve the quadratic equations, next we will solve the cubic equations, and then we will solve the linear equations in two variables, and then we will solve the linear equations in three variables. Okay. So first we will solve the quadratic equation and find the roots of the equation. So first one is x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. First we have to press mode button and we have to select the equation option 5. So first one is quadratic. So we have to select third option. Okay. Which has degree 2. So we have to give the values of the quadratic equation, which is coefficient of x square 1, coefficient of x 2. Okay. Constant value 1, 1 2 1. Okay. 1 equal to 2 equal to 1. Okay. Then press equal to. Okay. So one is minus 1 and second one is also minus 1. Okay. Therefore roots are minus 1 1. So next one is, so again press equation. So quadratic equation, coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is 0, not there, so we have to take 0, and constant value is minus 4, so we have to take 1 0 minus 4 as coefficients. Okay. 1 0 minus 4. So therefore roots are, first one is minus 2, sorry 2, second one is minus 2, therefore here roots are 2 comma minus 2. So in this way we will solve the quadratic equation. Same process for all equations. Let us solve one by one. Next one is cubic. So select 4 for cubic equation. So what are the coefficients? Here first we will solve the second one. We will understand coefficient of x cube 1, coefficient of x square minus 1, coefficient of x minus 4, constant value is 4. So we have to give these values as inputs. Okay. 1 press equal to minus 1 minus 4, d value is 4. So we will get one root is minus 2. So second one is 2, third root is 1. So these are the three roots for the cubic equation. Now we will solve x cube plus 1. Okay. So again mode equation 4. So we'll give here what are the coefficients? X cube coefficient is 1, x square is not there, so 0, x is also not there, so 0, coefficient is 1. So we have to give these four inputs. Okay. 1 0 0 1. So roots are minus 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 by root 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I, and 1 minus, sorry 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 I. Okay. These are three roots for the cubic equation. Okay. Now we will solve the linear equations in two variables. So for that press mode button again, equation, select the two variables. So we have to take first one. So we have to give these inputs. Here what are the inputs? 1 3 5. In second equation 2 5 8. So we have to give these inputs. So first one is 1 3 5, 1 3 5. Second one is 2 5 8, 2 5 8. Okay, all inputs are given. So now press equal to, we will get x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. In this way we will solve the linear equations in two variables. Now we will see linear equations in three variables. Okay, same press mode button, 5 for equation. So linear equations in 3 variables, so option 2. Now we have to give values of, sorry, coefficients of x, y, z and constant. So here is 1 1 1 6, here 1 2 3 14, 1 minus 1 1 2. Okay, so we'll give the equations 1 1 triple 1 6. Okay, so 1 press equal to 1 press equal to 1 and again 6. So second one is 1 2 3 14. Okay, 1 2 3 14. Okay, now third one, 1 minus 1 1 2, 1 minus 1, so 1, next one is 2. After entering all values, press equal to, we will get, so x value is 1, y value is 2, z value is 3. So friends, in this way we will solve the equations. If you found this video is helpful to you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.